This video is special for Valentine's Day. In this video, you are going to see some love story. This conversation is going to be for romantic relationship. Everyday's romantic conversation between two peoples.
Flirting with someone.
Hey Emily. What's up?
Not much, Chris. What's up with you?
Well, I've been thinking about you a lot.
Really? Why?
I don't know. But I couldn't stop thinking about you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I have to go now.
Wait, don't go.
I have to. I need to go see my friend.
Come on, it can't be that important. Stay and hang out with me.
Sorry, Chris. Maybe next time.
Okay, but wait, before you go. I need to ask you something.
Okay, about what?
Do you have Facebook?
No, I don't. I don't have any Facebook.
Okay, how about WhatsApp?
Well, also I don't have any WhatsApp.
Okay, what about Instagram?
No, actually I don't do much social media.
Well, I hope you have got an email address.
Yes, of course, I do have. But I just use that for work.
Oh, I really got upset. How can I get in touch with you?
Do you want my phone number?
Really? Thanks. So, can I have your phone number?
Yes, sure. It's 444-777.
After a few days.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Chris.
I still can't stop thinking about you.
Okay.
I was wondering that if you would like to go to dinner with me tonight?
Well, I don't know.
Okay, well, what about just drinks?
I'm not sure.
Tea or coffee? Come on. Just don't say no.
Okay, fine. Just coffee.
That's great. Do you have a favorite cafe?
Yes, I do. The name of the cafe is Art Cafe London.
Great! Would you like to go today?
No, actually, today I have some work.
What about tomorrow?
Sure, tomorrow is fine.
What time would you like to go?
Tomorrow around 4 o'clock?
Excellent.
In the cafe.
I'm so glad you came.
So how are you, Chris?
I'm really good. What do you want to drink? It's my treat.
Well, I would like to drink cold coffee.
Okay, I'll go and come back with coffee. Sorry for keeping you wait.
It's alright.
Emily, you look different today. You look really pretty.
Oh, really? Thanks.
Did you do something to your hair?
Oh no, I didn't do anything to my hair. It's the same style, Chris.
Well, you look really nice.
Thanks, so do you. Thanks, Chris. I had a really nice time with you. And also for the coffee.
Don't mention it, Emily. Can I ask you something? Something personal.
Sure.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Well, I don't have.
Would you like to go dinner with me?
Yes, I would like to. So, where would you like to go?
Well, what about Winter Garden Restaurant?
Oh, that sounds so romantic place.
Yeah, it is. So, do you like the idea?
Yes, I do.
Proposing in the restaurant.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you. And you?
Me too. Emily, I called you yesterday night. You didn't answer the phone.
Sorry, Chris. Actually, I was busy that time. I thought I will call you later, but I forgot to call you back.
Emily, I'm a little scared.
Why?
I want to ask you something.
Sure, you can ask me.
Actually, I wanted to ask you if you want to be my girlfriend?
Well, I thought I already was.
Oh. Really? I'm really happy to hear this. So, let's make it official then.
Okay then, I will be your girlfriend.
Emily, I love you.
I love you too, Chris.
I have something to ask you more.
Okay, just say it. What?
Okay, well, will you marry me?
Of course.
I'm the happiest person in the world now. Emily, do you want to go to visit my parents?
Yes, I would love to.
That's great. Emily, well, I would like to propose you as like cinematic. Will you come with me?
Oh, really? You are very romantic. And of course, I will come with you.
I just want you to know how important you are to me. Knowing that you care and understand me. That you trust and believe in me. That you will always be my friend. I just want you to know that I know how wonderful you are. I love you more than everything, my love.
Wow, Chris, it was really nice. I love you a lot, Chris. I hope this video will help you to propose someone on this Valentine's Day in English. And also, don't forget to subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.